In the previous video, we created a Dreamweaver template, and I hope you took some time to finish off adding the different styles to the different elements like the header, nav, main, and footer. So make sure that you give everything a style so it looks nice. Now that our template is done, and don't worry, you can always go back to change it again and then you can update everything. So I can show you how to do that in just a bit. But for now, let's say you're happy with the template and you're ready to create an HTML page based on the template. So let's go do that. So let's make sure before you get started, go save all. So all the changes in your style and template has been saved. You should do this every once in a while anyway, because so far my Dreamweaver has crashed a couple of times. So just make sure that you save your changes as you're working so you don't lose all your work. Anyway, next go to File, New, and let's go to Site Templates and make sure you go to the correct site, which is pageFromTemp, and you'll see Temp 1 because it's been saved there. And you can see that this has been checked. Update page when template changes. So if you ever should make changes to the template, your page is going to be updated, okay? All right, so let's go create. And here we go. And you can see that everything is grayed out except for what you can edit. So what I can edit here is my page title. So I'm gonna say boss homepage. And the content here, okay? And to get that content, I am going to open up class 4 files and open up class activity 1, which is this one here. So this is the text I'm gonna copy and paste in there. Okay, so I can go into split view if you want. You can see that the only place that I can, there we go. And I'm gonna go in here and paste my text here, or maybe I'll do it a little bit at a time. Okay, that makes it a bit easier. There we go. Copy that, and that will be in a paragraph. Okay. And maybe I'll just go here and insert HTML, insert paragraph. There we go. And paste it in there. All right, and then I'm going to insert another paragraph and then paste the next block of text in there. Oh, maybe I'll insert a heading first. So copy that, and I'm going to go into Dreamweaver and insert heading, and that'll be an H2 heading. And there we go. We are boss. Enter again. Insert paragraph. Next one here. So copy that. Dreamweaver, paste. Okay. Okay, and insert another paragraph. Okay, and copy and paste. Anyway, you get the idea. Here, I'm just gonna get rid of that space there. Oops, there we go. All right, and I'm going to go File, Save All. Okay, so I'm gonna save this as index.html, save. There we go. And there you have it. Okay, so I can go see what that looks like. Let's see in my live view there. Okay, so that's what it would look like. If it's kind of strange to look at it in the Dreamweaver interface, you can always go to View, and actually you can, instead of View, go to File and Real-Time Preview. You can go take a look at it. And here I'm going to look There we go. So I am noticing that the text is actually quite small. Maybe I like to change that. It's a bit too small. So let's go make that change. Okay, so right now I have it at 10. Maybe it should be more like 12. So I'm going to go into here, CSS, and body, I guess the header as well, properties. Okay, oh, properties here. Just gonna drag this up here. There we go. Okay, so it doesn't look like I have the font size in there, so I'm gonna say font size should be more like 12 pixels. Let's see what that, does that help? 12 pixels is a bit bigger, but maybe 14 pixels would be better. There we go. Okay. Oh, actually that's, sorry, that's in my header. So actually my header only has my H1. So I should actually be going into my nav here and going font size. Okay, let's try 12 pixels. There we go, that looks a bit better. Maybe 14 is better, 14 pixels. Okay, much better. So I'm gonna also go into my body main and also change my, if I don't have it yet, I'm going to change my properties to font size 14 pixels. There you go. That's a lot better, right? And that's quite small, my footer. Okay, maybe I'll change that into 10 pixels. There we go. And of course, sometimes I find it easier, much easier, to just kind of go right into the CSS style sheet over here. Just to go into the CSS style sheet and change what I want to change instead of using the interface here through Dreamweaver. But that's entirely up to you how you would like to do that. All right, so now when I go to Chrome and refresh, well, that looks much better, right? Okay. So the one thing though is I have to add those links, but I'll do that in just a bit here. I'm going to show you that you can excuse me, very easily create yet another page. So let's go to File, New again, and pageFromTemp, create another page. I'll save this one as, let's call this Collections, okay? So save as Collections, and then in the title where I can edit, I'll write Boss Collections, and then here where I can change content, I'm going to start by inserting a heading, so that would be H2, and I'm going to go here and open up Collections, okay, and copy the word Collections here, paste that into Dreamweaver, and then now I'm going to enter paragraph, okay, and then add, oops, that's not the right one. There we go. Add this paragraph here. Okay. Again, add another paragraph. Okay. And add the second paragraph there. And again, add another paragraph and add my third paragraph there. There we go, and now that is saved as collections. And you can do the same to our story and then products. So in products, instead of adding paragraphs, you add divs and add classes and then add all those styles, right? So now what we can do is we can go back to temp here, and I'm gonna go here to home, and I want to add navigation. Okay, so I'm gonna go here and click. Okay, and oh, sorry, that's not what I wanted to do. I'm supposed to go here and actually add a hyperlink, not navigation. Sorry about that. So text is home. I'm going to link to index is what I want to link to. Okay, and then here I'm going to have collections as well. Is going to link to hyperlink here.